Rough day, huh?
Rough day, Mr. Rotmeyer?
I'm sorry. I'm having kind of a rough day.
I've kind of had a rough day here.
Rough day, huh?
The worst. Did you have a rough day, Agent Fury?
It was cool.
Heard you're having a rough day, all right? I'm okay.
I was just really looking forward to seeing you. I'm having such a rough day.
Rough day?
Yeah, it was something.
You know, I'm a little tired. Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, kind of a rough day, huh?
Kinda.
Rough day, huh? Well, I won't lie to you. Puberty is a difficult time in a young man's life.
Where are you? Is everything okay?
It's a rough day at the office.
Sorry, honey, I'm just having a rough day.
Oh, what's wrong?
Oh, you really just don't want to hear about it.
Then why did I ask?
Hey.
Hey, Mom.
You feeling okay? We missed you at dinner.
I'm okay. Just had a rough day.
Hey,
Hey.
heard you had a rough day.
Yep.
Can I try to cheer you out?
Doubtful.
What do you want me to do? I've got no place to go.
You've had a rough day today. Go to sleep and we'll see tomorrow.
Now, I know we've had a rough day, but I'm sure we can put all that behind us.
That's my whipping arm!
Oh, why does everything I whip leave me?